Today I am showing the demo on GST login using Excel. I have created one button and for confidential purpose I have hide the username password in this column. I am just executing the script. I am clicking on the button. It will open GST login. It will type the username and it will be asking the input dialog box. It will enter and login will be done. Once this page is open, it will close it out and after that another login. I have not created any number of login page. It will ask me for another user. It will enter the character. So there is, you do not require per user login button. You can do the things for one by one login with one code, and this is the way of the logic is done in Excel using VBA code. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. In case need help on this, just DM me.